Welcome to Dorman Products Drive Shaft Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty by our technicians. Some car knowledge is needed to complete this repair. This repair should take approximately 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. Begin the install by removing the complete exhaust system. Next, remove the bolts and mounting brackets. Then jack the exhaust up to hold it in place. Remove rubber muffler hangers from the underbody hooks. Once removed, take vacuum line off and drop the exhaust down. Once space is available, remove the heat shield retaining bolts and remove the heat shield itself. Remove the bolts from the rubber isolator from the transmission. Be sure to loosen bolts first before using battery-powered ratchet. Tech note: these nuts are one-time use. Be sure to get new nuts before installation. Next, remove rear bolts to the differential. You'll need to rotate them to break them loose. At this step, spray solvent to loosen old drive shaft due to rust. Remove the retaining bolts that hold the carrier bearing in place, then remove the old drive shaft one side at a time. Remove any rust or corrosion out of the inside wall using a real fine sandpaper or emery cloth until smooth. Then loosen the retainer that locks the slip joint slightly to install. Finally, install the new drive shaft onto the vehicle. Be sure to torque the new bolts to factory spec once mounted. And lastly, make sure to tighten the slip joint before putting the heat shield back on. To complete the installation, follow the steps in reverse order.